come together. Cross-functional discussion happened. It improved bonding and the relationship and networking between the leaders, and of course the key important fact is we kept on learning new concepts.
And it was such a big eye-opener, reassuring module which has really opened up our all the business goals. It's a really great initiative from HFCL management team to build the capability within the organization.
Amazing program, great learning, the best team that can be, and lots of leadership.
We interacted many people out there in mails, but this was the first time we interacted with them face to face. It's good to build a relationship with them. A lot of learnings with particular examples and great learning. This workshop actually reinforced that we have to have some responsibility towards our team also, that we need to practice.
All the leaders here take it seriously, and we take HFCL to put out.
The learning was that taking the team together was the main learning. We take the team together, we take team meetings, but not the way it was projected here and not the way it has to be done diligently.
I had been facing challenges handling the team and all issues, so definitely it will be helpful for me to manage the team. Probably I will be a better manager henceforward.
Learning from here and implement similar learnings to our empowering teams and delegate the jobs, and so that we can achieve organization goal in better way.
Definitely it will help me for my future leadership activities.
How we implement that is more important. The learning is one part, but implementation is very critical actually. Not implementing our day-to-day activity, then there is a waste.
Most of the things we keep implementing during our day-to-day work, but this was presented in a very structured way, so that it is a relearning of what we have already know.
Three things which I feel I should be using and taking away from here. One is mentorship, second is empowering, and third is thinking globally.
So nice program, very interactive, our learning very good.
There is a lot of takeaway and practice, so we can improve the culture and the training and increase the ROI from that.
So it was really well spent 2 days and quite a learning today basically.
It was a nicely built program, and I would like to join something more in an appropriate manner, something else, I would say another level, the same.
Thank you HR team for a wonderful, really wonderful learning session that we had. Thank you.